Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about the digestive system, the amazing process that turns your yummy food into energy and nutrients. Let's start at the mouth. When you take a bite of food, your teeth get to work, mechanically breaking it down into smaller pieces. This is called mechanically digestion. But that's not all. Your saliva glands release saliva, which isn't just water. It contains enzymes like amylase, which start breaking down carbohydrates. Once your food is chewed and mixed with saliva, it forms a soft ball called a bolus. You swallow and it slides down to your esophagus, a muscular tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. It doesn't just drop muscle in your esophagus, contract and relax, in which wave-like motion called peristalsis to push the food. This muscular punch is like a super mixer and acid bath combined. The stomach churns the food, further breaking it down mechanically. But more importantly, it releases strong digestive acid and enzymes, especially pepsin, which start breaking down proteins. This turns your food into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. The stomach also has a protective lining, so it doesn't digest itself. After a few hours of this intense processing, the chyme is ready for its next big stop. Next up is the small intestine, and don't let the name fool you. It's anything but small. It's about 20 feet long in an adult, all coiled up inside you. This is where most of the nutrients absorbs happen. The small intestine gets a lot of help from other organs. First, the pancreas sends enzymes to break down fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, and the liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder and help break down fat. Walls of the small intestine are covered into tiny finger-like projection called villi and microvilli. This dramatically increases the surface area, allowing your body to absorb all those amazing nutrients, vitamins, minerals, sugar, amino acid directly into your bloodstream to be delivered all over your body for energy, growth, and repair. After all the good stuff is absorbed, what's left moves into the large intestine. This final section is shorter but wider than the small intestine. Its main job is to absorb water and electrolytes from the remaining waste materials. It's also home to billions of friendly bacteria, your gut microbiome, which help break down some remaining indigestible materials and even produce some vitamins. What's left becomes solid waste. Finally, the waste material is stored in the rectum and then eliminated from the body through the anus. Isn't it incredible how our body works? Every bite you take sets off this complex, perfectly coordinated process to keep your health and energized.